guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Educational House. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Question number 4. Show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisects each other at right angle. But you have to show that ABCD is a square given. It is a square, then AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. It was given because all the sides of a square are equal. This is given. What you have to prove is AC is equal to BD. First you take two triangles ABC and triangle BDC. In triangle ADC, AD is equal to BC given, DC is equal to DC common, and it is a square given. That means angle D is equal to angle C, that is 90 degree. So the triangles are congruent by rule SAS rule. Triangles are congruent. If triangles are congruent, AC is equal to BD by CPCT rule, corresponding parts of a congruent triangle. ADC is congruent to triangle BDC, then AC is equal to BD by CPCT rule. First part is proved. Now first part is proof that AC is equal to BD. Second part is AO is equal to OC. Take triangle AOB and triangle COD. If it is a parallelogram given, AB is parallel to CD and AC is a transversal. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is angle 1 is equal to angle 2, alternate interior angles of parallel lines. Alternate interior angles are equal. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4, vertical opposite angles, and AB is equal to CD given. So now triangles are congruent by which rule? Angle side. AAS rule. Triangles are congruent. Now we have proved that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by AAS rule. Angle side. AO is equal to OC by CPCT rule. We have proved that AO is equal to OC. In the same way, we will take triangle AOB and triangle BOC. They will also come congruent by AAS rule. This will prove that OB is equal to OC. If OB is equal to OC and AO is equal to OB is equal to OD. This shows that diagonals bisect each other. Part 3, we have to prove angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. If one angle is 90 degree, then other angles will also come out to be 90 degree. Take triangle AOB and triangle COB. AO is equal to OC. We have proved it. Okay. AB is equal to CB, opposite sides of a square. And OB is equal to OB common. So triangles are congruent by SSS rule. If triangles are congruent by SSS rule, angle AOB is equal to angle BOC by CPCT rule, corresponding parts of a congruent triangle. Now we have proved that angle 3 is equal to angle 5. That is angle AOB is equal to angle COB. And angle 3 and angle 5 is also forming straight line. That means angle 3 plus angle 5 is 180 degree. But these two angles are equal. We can take angle 3 plus angle 3 is 180 degree. Angle 2 angle 3 is 180 degree. Angle 3 is 180 divided by 2, that is 90 degree. This will give you angle 3 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 90 degree. In the same way, angle 3 is equal to angle 4 and angle 5 is equal to angle 6, vertically opposite angles. So these four angles are also 90 degree. This shows that diagonals of a square are equal and bisects each other at right angles, because all the four angles, angle 3, angle 5, angle 4 and angle 6 are 90 degree. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. If you have any queries, leave in the chat box.